Today, Pippi found this dusty Bugatti toy car in the corner of the attic. She remembered that this was a gift from her grandfather on her 5th birthday. With the death of her grandfather, the car was forgotten in the corner of time. But now it was found by Pippi. Pippi decided to restore the luster of this car just like the good times she had with her grandfather. In every child's childhood, there are always toy cars that bring laughter and dreams. For Pippi, the Bugatti toy car is not just a toy but also a memory with her late grandfather. As time goes by, the toy car is no longer shiny, but the love and memories will never fade. Today, let's follow Pippi and start a warm journey to repair this Bugatti toy car. We can see that the master has polished the rust on the body and sprayed the underbody. Next, the master chooses the cash gold color and prepares to spray paint the car body. When the paint surface is sprayed, we can see the black top and the gold body, which are perfectly displayed. Next, the master will process each part. First, after cleaning and painting the car bottom plate, the master will use black-gray short fibers and tree crosses to make a microfiber, artificial leather texture. After completing this step, the master will spray paint the front and rear seats of the center console. After the seats are sprayed, the master pays great attention to detail and makes and assembles the seat belts. Seeing this, I believe everyone will feel that this is really meticulous and excessive. After installing the steering wheel, engine panel, and roof, the master will then spray paint the car door made by a 3D printer. The master will continue to use the broken windshield as a mold, and then use acrylic plates to make a new windshield. After plastic spray painting, the new windshield is made perfectly. Next, the master will install the door handles made of bright tree branches, 3D printed rearview mirrors, and logo and other components in place. After spraying the bottom plate of the storage box clean and applying glue, the master will use gray and black short fibers and trees to make a microfiber artificial leather texture. Looking at the perfect car body, the master couldn't help but give a thumbs up. This is what Bugatti brings. After the engine is installed and the hood is closed, the master will install the rear tailplate, deflector, and license plate one by one. The air intake and exhaust pipes at the bottom must be set in place, so I won't go into details here. Then there are 4 wheels left on the whole car. The wheels are made by a 3D printer. After spraying the surface of the wheels, install them one by one. Today's video is coming to an end. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Like It.
接下来整台车就剩下4颗轮子了。轮子是利用3D 打印机制作好的。